This is Kataps of Kataps Farm. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please, if it is your first time to be here, consider subscribing, like our videos, share. We are here to water our garden. We are making a nursery bed for different species of plants. This is what we call Prunus africana. The Bachika would call it Omumba or maybe Omoboro in some tribes or some people. But this is Prunus africana that is meant to treat prostate cancer for men. It is something that affected many men. Here you get the backs of the tree. When they have grown, you boil them, you start taking, or maybe you crush them, you take it in a tea. So this tree is as old as maybe Christ himself or Abraham himself. But people are trying to make them extinct. Not only this tree we also have other different species of trees. That is eucalyptus, we have avocados, we have any other tree, the trees of fruits, that is the fennel or maybe jackfruit. We have trees like pine trees, we have flower trees, we have Guavaria, we have Caliandra. All those trees are in our garden. This nursery bed was started some few years ago by younger people who believe that the environment is saved by you and me. So when we started it, we started giving them to the community. We sell, but also give out some few to the community. Imagine having all these trees. You are a graduate, how many trees are here? Each tree is just one, and each one is 200 shillings of eucalyptus. Ugandan shillings, 200 shillings can become $1 million. Each tree being sold at 200 shillings, that means you can sell 1 million trees. At how many million is at 20 million? That means you people, we are sleeping, your brain is sleeping. An avocado tree is not grafted, is at 500 shillings. If you just get seedlings from the market, come and plant them. You get over jackfruits, come and put them there, the seeds. So when we're making a nursery bed, we start by getting our soil, we mix it properly. After mixing it, we put in these polythene bags. After putting them in the polythene bags, we put seeds. The seeds germinate, we water them every day, morning and evening. When they grow, we start selling them off. So as you can see, these ones are ready for going on. These ones have started being taken and they are getting over ready. You can also support us. We are just in Mbarara here. Support us. Come and support every person. This one can be planted at the edge of your garden. At the edge, you don't even need to have an acre of land. Plant one. The environment is happy for you. Plant two. Plant three. So I mean that always support the environment. Don't think that the environment is there for someone else. It is ours. We live in an ecosystem. Support the tree, support the tree. It gives the oxygen, you give carbon dioxide. That means if you plant a tree, you're supporting your neighbor. That is a tree. At Kataps Farm, we encourage organic farming, and we cannot have organic farming without trees. So we decided that making such a nursery bed can be very good for you and me. Also, support your parents, support your family, support yourself. You are who is still in school, you can plant this tree within 10 years. You have the school fees. That means if you're in P7, primary 7 today in Uganda, 6 years later, you're able to sell a tree for university. Younger people there, tell your dad, buy me a tree. If you're a man who has just married, get a tree, plant it for your children in the future. Save the environment for the generation to come. We found trees there. We found trees around. We are cutting them every day. Let us save the environment. You can see this nursery bed is not having anything, but it has at least green paper. This one is for home consumption. But this one is meant for trees, all of it. But the drought is too much. The sun has been on for 4 months. We can't put anything. By next month, we shall be having rain, I think. Because even if we put in water, these things, the sun is so hot that anything dries up. But we'll put a lot of energy to save what is already grown. Yeah, thank you to the supporters who buy our trees. These ones are already taken, as you can see. It is an empty garden. You can see they have all been taken. Thanks for supporting us. Visit us, visit our channel, at least subscribe. Also, give us an inbox. Check on our about. There is all information. Kataps Farm has kataliwa1@gmail.com. My number is there. +256 0700 564311. That's my WhatsApp number. You can ask, book, and get a tree. These are pine trees. If you plant such a tree, give it 10 years and you're able to harvest for your family. It's me, Kataps, trying to encourage you. How can you make a nursery bed for your plants? A nursery bed for eucalyptus, a nursery bed for any type of trees. This one is good for saving our environment, good for saving anything that is getting destroyed, especially the ozone layer. So it's also good for your income. You can make a nursery bed, and this nursery bed helps you to get income. You can also get money for your family. So today you can look at this. When you're making a nursery bed, you start by packing the soil in the polythene bags, and that soil, when it is ready, you mix it, you put in the polythene bags, you put in the seed. After some weeks, the seeds get out, then you put them with these big ones. Now that these ones have grown, they are ready for transplanting, but the drought is too much on us. This video is being taken in Mbarara in one of our nursery beds, and this bed is now 4 months old. We believe that if you have not had anything to do as a young person, come join us in this. We have different people doing it, women, men, and everyone. So we have different species of eucalyptus. Today, this is a local breed. We have one that is South Africa there. We have avocados, we have guavas, we have what they call Prunus africana. Doing anything in the world, try to do that you are saving something, someone, save someone. We work here every day with a team of people. So when I'm here, I'm not alone. You can even employ someone, or someone can employ you. But if you can count, if each seedling is at 200 shillings, how many are these? How many seedlings are these? You just imagine, you're just sleeping on money. How much space do you need? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. That means about 1 million here. We are sleeping. Let's wake up. Let's wake up. Save the environment, save your family, save your brain from just always grumbling. Let's not grumble. Do something. Start now. The future is now. Kataps is always advising the younger people. I'm here to advise you younger people. And it is my role, it is your role to feed the world and also save the environment. So our garden is having different species. One of them is eucalyptus. As you can see, eucalyptus have grown. We have to cover them when they are still young. We also have what we call pine. Some of you call it pacula. And it is also grown. You can see they have already grown. They are ready for planting. We have different species, yes, as I say. Eucalyptus is not also one species. We have what we call South African breed and also the local breed. This one being South Africa, it has grown just in 1 month, it is already at this level. You younger people there, always try to fight hard to get something in your life. Never think that this is a very bad job. Look at. This one can feed your family, feed your friends, save the environment, and you are okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I remain Kataps farm. Let me not talk much. You know everything. A tree is a tree. A tree is what? Is a tree. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing. See you next time.